Introducing KOROFORM, the advanced flexible bottom film for thermoforming applications. Suitable for food and medical applications, KOROFORM is a 9-layer film produced with state-of-the-art machinery. Due to advanced production technology, KOROFORM is a very high gloss and low haze film, also providing very high barrier properties for improved shelf life. Does your product have sharp edges? Do you worry about punctures on the package? Need not worry, because KOROFORM provides you a solution with the help of its improved mechanical properties. Is KOROFORM compatible with my packaging machine? The answer is simply yes. KOROFORM has excellent thermoforming properties and will run on your machine with little or no adjustments at all. Providing all these properties, don't you think KOROFORM is worth trying? Well, yes, but we're just half the way on what KOROFORM can achieve. Here comes the best part. Keep your money in your pockets, because with KOROFORM, you will now use thinner films when compared to conventional films in the market. Yes, KOROFORM provides down-gauging advantages due to latest production techniques, which results in thicker package corners and helps provide economical advantages. And on the plus side, you are now a more green company because you help the environment by using a thinner yet better product, KOROFORM. Let your package be shiny, strong, and safe for your product. Be wise. Use KOROFORM.